Hey everyone, how's it going? So I have a new hand show light strip for your Frunk here. This is the latest version that's a lot brighter and it comes in different color. You can get a solid color in white, I believe pink and blue. They also have the RBG one where you can control it from your phone app, multiple different colors. But that is a little dimmer versus the latest one that they have here. So we'll be installing this and we'll show you how to do it. It's fairly simple. So if you just have the Y here or even the 3, it's just popping this open. So I already have it slightly pop open for the video. And then slide it upward. And then you just want to unplug this one here, like so. And good thing about hand show, it comes with this wire splitter already. So you just have to plug the one from the car into this one here, male to female. Plug that in there. It's already working. And then the other side, plug it into the OEM plug. This emergency latch, like that, and that's it. So this wire goes underneath this trim here. So what you want to do is just tuck it in there. Don't tangle this too much because you can damage it. So just be careful when you're installing it. All right, so just untangle this slowly. It does come already wrapped in this, I guess, plastic wrap. Just keep it in order. But when you untangle it, just be careful. Let's do it slowly. Just place the cover back to see where it sits, and then line it up. So it goes underneath the rubber stripping, just like that. And if you have extra, go ahead and cut it off. There should be a line. So let me just show you real quick. So if it comes extra, you see the line right there? Every inch, you can cut it right there at that line. So it's a perfect fit. Don't cut it in between because then you get a black dead spot. So cut it in between those lines with a scissor. Make sure the power's off before you do it. This is how it looks. A lot brighter, as you can see. Huge difference. So I'll post a link where you can find this. This is the latest version from Hand Show, the light strip. And if you have the previous version, the auto Frunk, it will still close with this button. If you have the newer version of the auto Frunk, it may or may not work with this switch. So something to keep in mind, even the older light strip. So for those that have the older power frunk, you should still be able to use this button here to close the frunk. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. Catch you all next time.